He'll take it himself. A quick pitch on an option. He gets up to maybe the 6-yard line. Now a fumble, it looks like, possibly. Here's the Blizzard faithful going wild. 13.5. He'll drop back here on third down. Throw it to the end zone. Caught, touchdown, Blizzard touchdown, first of the year. So Footman will remain the quarterback. He'll take the snap, look left initially. Now he's looking way downfield. BJ Hill wide open. Touchdown, Blizzard. He lost his defensive count. Pass to his right. 3 wideouts to his left, and there's a motion. Snap is dropped again, and Footman keeps it. He's good for the first down. Cuts toward the middle of the field. 4-yard center. Footman takes it back. Heavy pressure into the end zone, and it's caught for a touchdown.
Throws the left, they go in motion, back to pass. Footman has time, pumps, now steps up, will run, and he is into the end zone for a Green Bay score. So quickly down the field, and the high motion man. It's going to be a quarterback keeper. Footman gets by the first man to the 25-yard line, into danger to establish a run game. This never happens. Footman dropping back to pass. He's under pressure. He escapes, sets, throws, man open, caught, almost a first down. Danger formation. Pass is the running back. It is going to be a quarterback keeper, and Footman fighting his way toward the goal line and gets there. And it looked like the mesh point was way up. They just gave up. Snap, spot, and it's blocked. It's blocked. It's loose. And it is going to be Green Bay picking it up. Bringing it up the field will be Joe Powell. Powell. It's now Green Bay to take a 2-score lead. Footman dropping back to pass. Has time. Looks to be down the field. That pass caught at the 2-yard line. Smashed into the dasher board there, was easy. Shotgun formation, zone read, keeps toward the end zone, touchdown. Could see that coming. Footman so tough down there. Comes up, wide receiver, taking forward to set. Zone read, the handoff to BJ Hill into the end zone for a touchdown. BJ Hill has scored. Down by 3, back to passes Armstrong, throws toward the end zone, picked off. Underthrew his intended receiver, bringing it back out. Across the 10, high motion, one either side. It's going to be a handoff to Cass, finds some running room to the 5-yard line, toward the goal line, and he is going to be into the end zone for a touchdown. Here comes the snap. Footman dropping back. Here comes the rush, and Footman steps up. He'll run to the 5, toward the goal line, touchdown. Once the blitz from Footman. Ball at the 6. Footman dropping back to pass. Here comes the blitz. Footman steps by to the 5, to the 4. He's into the end zone, touchdown. Every time the danger blitz, Armstrong Jr. takes the snap from center, drops back to pass, throws down the field, it is intercepted. Threw it into coverage. Intended receiver was Eric Thomas. No chance at that one.
Stormers and quickly with a 8 of the penalty and the completion worked their way to the 21 of Green Bay. Neal will use his feet to the 10. The ball is loose and it's picked up like pass for 5. Play action fakes. Throws it up the middle. And the pass is caught by Tucker's back. Steps out of the pocket, throws, and he completes it to Levi Copeland. Green Bay's offensive line much improved over a year ago. Footman throws, finds an open receiver, and Hill obviously is the playmaker. But red zone at the 6. Carrying the football and spilled hard to the ground.
a touchdown.
Yep.
The kick goes long, and it is recovered by Green Bay. I think Green Bay got it.
Yep.
Footman to the end zone. No, he finds a man at the 10. Oh my goodness, he's going to get in the end zone. That is a touchdown for it all. To the end zone. Jump ball, incomplete, game over.
Got a wide receiver each side. He'll drop back and look over the middle. He's going deep right away. Keyslow Smith, touchdown on the first offensive play of the game. Keyslow Smith with the walk-off touchdown at Quad City last week. Opens up this game with a shotgun formation. Here's Footman. He'll drop back to pass again. He's got Taylor over the middle for a reception, and they're going to scheme against defenses. He's working out Footman now. He will pitch it. And he got it to his left. He'll fake it to Owens. He'll take it himself. Touchdown. Blizzard. Taylor and Hill. One to his right. That's Smith. He is looking left. He'll throw to the end zone. Taylor caught. Touchdown. Blizzard. They're going to go with their hot feet, apparently, and that's going to bounce in the direction of Stewart. He's going to let it fly all the way to the back of the end zone. Retrieves over the wall. He is tackled in his own end zone. The receiver's right, and that's where the direction he'll look. Wide open is B.J. Hill at the 5. Cutting inside. Touchdown, Blizzard. On 4th down and 4, Lenoris Footman finds the ever-so-elusive B.J. Defensively now from the 15-yard line is E.J. Hilliard. He's going to drop back to pass. Heavy pressure and brought down by the Oaks. They're from behind midfield, and their first down markers at the 5-yard line. Hilliard, heavy pressure, and will be brought down once again. Footman drops back, looking long, caught, touchdown, Keyslow Smith into the end zone again for the Blizzard. Footman, 2 receivers in motion to his right. He'll roll right. He's looking to pass it, and he does, all the way to the end zone, to the fans. Taylor over the wall, not a touchdown. Here's the snap, it's low. Footman pitches it to Hill, it's a fumble, it's loose. Quad City's gonna get that first, and it's still bouncing. B.J. Hill somehow came up with that, as Quad City, Owens in the backfield with him. He's gonna take the snap, look quickly over the middle, he's got Hill into the 5th gun now. 2 receivers left, he'll drop, he'll run, cut, caught, touchdown, Blizzard, Lenoris Footman. Golf return setup, if you will. It's a high kick from Stitz. It'll be returned by Hill from the goal line. He'll cut inside, cut back outside. He's got space outside. Cuts back inside, fakes outside. Up the sideline as B.J. Hill breaks the tackle. Oh, no way! The great B.J. Hill! The ball's more on the right hashes. That's where they're going to look. Receivers cutting. Footman, time, thrown. Caught, touchdown, Blizzard! Keyshawn Taylor puts the icing on the cake with 61 seconds on the clock. Pressure rushing attack from Quad City, right to the quarterback. Footman throws, it's deep, it's gone. B.J. Hill inside the 10-yard line. Touchdown, let's find out. Footman from the gun, looking, time, heavy pressure, rolling right. He's keeping time, thrown, back in the end zone. Keyshawn Taylor, touchdown.
He stared down his receiver, and ladies and gentlemen, this is a pick 6. And then the snap, the toss, it goes to Ramsey Owens, who fights his way toward the end zone, and that's a touchdown. The high motion to the left, drops back to pass, protection holds, throw over the middle, a diving grab is made for a touchdown. Keyslow Smith, first big extra blocking back in there, man in motion, it's going to be a handoff, nice move toward the end zone, touchdown. That's Sean Turnerman with 4 on the play clock. Footman dropping back to pass. Here comes the rush, the throw toward the end zone, that's caught. Touchdown Green Bay. Keyshawn Taylor brings it in on 3rd and long. It's a 15-yard pass to the lead back. Going to be a toss to Ramsey Owens, looking for a cutback lane, finds it toward the end zone. Touchdown Green Bay, and the Blizzard.
Back to pass, Footman upfield, throws against the 3rd to Smith. Made a move at the 15, the 20 to the 25, and he's finally rolled down about the Sioux Falls 24-yard side to in motion. Takes the handoff, Footman throws, end zone all by himself, caught, touchdown. Footman
Takes a shotgun snap, pedals back, under pressure, down at midfield. Looks like he fumbled the football. They're going to say Green Bay. Green Bay has it. Footman takes it, quarterback keeper all the way, starts up the middle of the 10, finds a seam at the 5 and breaks it to the outside, gets in the end zone, touchdown. 9, Neal takes a shotgun snap, pitches it to Malik Brown, loses the handle, gets all the way back to the 15-yard line. He's going to be wrapped up, stuffed, packaged, and buried at the 17. Norris Footman ducks under center, quarterback keeper dives on left side, breaks it to the 10, to the 5, breaks it, tackles. The ball is stripped by Gray. Gray steals the football from the Norris Footman at the 3-yard line. What a tremendous defensive Peterson. The Norris Footman shotgun formation, takes it right hand, looks to the left side all the way, hitches, goes short ball, home run ball, back of the end zone. The ball is going to be tipped and caught in the end zone, touchdown. They're going to say he dropped it, but he didn't. He didn't.
Or some option action with Footman. That's exactly what touchdown Green Bay. For the second time.
You know, I've been there before, and it's an awful, awful situation.
Green Bay will turn to their back. He's going to get a ton of passing yards.
The River Kings working from our left to right. Oh, and it's a snap! Bad snap. He wasn't even looking. This could be a safety. Joe Powell gets there, throws it up. It's picked off, and it'll be returned, cutting inside, up to the 3, and taken down. Down here, Wilkerson on his own end zone. He's going to drop back with the throw, and he's scrambling a little bit, keeping time. He'll let it fly deep to Drake White, and that is intercepted. And it's going to be brought up the left side, and he's got space, he's got time, he's got blockers, and he's inside the 10-yard line for the Blizzard. It's Heath Harding, formerly of the Atlanta Falcons. And we will fill you out. He is in for the first Blizzard score of this football. Sioux Falls 14-7 as Drake White scrambles right, going to run with it, and gets nailed inside the 10. Ball comes out, and it's picked up by the Blizzard. Whistle dead, but he's going to take it into the end zone just for motion on each side. He's looking over the middle. He's got B.J. Hill, and he's got a touchdown for the Green Bay. Hill's back there. He'll likely get some time, and that's blocked. It is scooped up, baby. Yes, it is. It's just a committee of Blizzard, and for the second week in a row, Silver Mountain Moorhan scores picks it back up. What a play of fun. On extra 3 receivers left. That's where Footman's going to look. He will throw, corner end zone, BJ Hill touchdown. It's actually right. Quarterback. Will snap in the right. He's taking, running right. He's got some space. He's taking right. And he loses the football again. And the Blizzard are going to jump on top of it. The footman over the middle caught. And it'll be tiptoed in by Keith. Watson will take it. Option, pitches it to Filia, who's cutting back left. Cutting all the way back left. Finding space, rolling into the defense. And did he get in? Oh my goodness, Anthony Filia! Kick return or punt return touchdowns be called back here in the Resch Center this year.
We have.
As Hill's going to get a lot of space to field this one. He's cutting left side, past the 20. Cutting left. He's got a huge block. Up the sideline. Touchdown, Blizzard! Call it. Oh my goodness, we've got a wizard next to me. He's a wizard. You're the wizard, Joey. BJ Hill. Targets right, Philly on the shotgun with him. Footman will drop back looking to throw. Over the middle, caught, touchdown, Blizzard, B.J. Hill. Lenoris drops back, pressure, rolling left, throwing over the middle. He found Philly out. He's got a first down and more. Inside the 15, still on his feet, inside the 10. And that's finally where he'll go down. Footman, the snap, he will take it, rolling right, and he's got space, and a score! Here's the snap, a cutting, and a fake, and in for a touchdown is Lenoris Footman. Looking to pound another score, handed off to Levi Copeland, who's in for the 4-yard score, and this just became a 2-point. Hill in the shotgun with Footman. That's where the ball will go. It is Hill into the end zone, and the Blizzard are back on top in this playoff football line. The Nebraska Danger, 3